Connoisseur Shiv, Rangahain, how are you? Mr. Dunk here. Today we are looking at page 46 in our Borna Kaincha, Lay and Scale. So to help you with that, I'm going to do a quick video for you today. It has a little activity at the end as well, but I'd love to hear your reading. You can either send me a video or a voice note, or you can wait until the Zoom lesson to read for me. Anyway, let's get started. We'll do our usual thing. We'll listen first, and then we'll do some translations.
Deirig oshin maidin, leim she amach asun labo. Deich she amach on injog, vi on law go hauling. Vi on grien eg tanjev. Chur she brish te gar, tilene, hatte grene agus spekli grene
Okay, lots of new words there. Let's go through that one more time.
Deirig oshin maidin.
Deirig oshin maidin. Hopefully you know maidin means morning. That sentence means Oshin got up in the morning. Deirig oshin maidin.
Leim she amach asun labo.
Leim she amach asan laba. He jumped out of the bed. Leim she amach asan laba.
Deich she amach on injog.
Deich she amach an injog. That's a tricky sentence to read there. The F and the H are silent. Deich she amach an injog. And there's that amach again. That means out. And this sentence means he looked out of an injog, the window. He looked out of the window.
Vi on law go hauling.
Vi an law go hauling. The day was, V means it happened already, past tense. The day was beautiful, or it was a beautiful day.
Vi on grien eg tanjev.
Vi on grien ag tanjev. The sun was shining. So there's the V. That means that's the was part of the sentence. Grien, the sun. And it was shining.
Chur she brish te gar.
Chur she brish te gar. So he got or he wore brish te gar. Brish te is trousers, but they don't look like trousers. Gar means short. So short trousers, or as we call them, shorts.
Tilene.
Tilene. No guesses for that one. T-shirt.
Hatte grene.
Hatte grene. Sun hat.
Agus spekli grene
Agus spekli grene and sunglasses. On. Now, before we've heard the word urim used when we put something on us. But that would be for yourself. I put something on. Is for he. So he put something on. So let's go back to the start of that long sentence.
Chur she brish te gar. Tilene. Hatte grene agus spekli grene
So he put on shorts, a t-shirt, a sun hat, and sunglasses. Or he wore shorts, a t-shirt, and sunglasses. Okay, so hopefully that video will really help you with your reading that you have to do later. Let's do a quick activity as well. We're going to do some drawing.
Taring stocky orhi.
Taring stucky urhi. Now, air is for boy when we're putting something on or something's on someone. So that would be for he. Urhi is for a girl, so that's she. So let's listen to that again.
Taring stocky orhi.
Taring, draw. Stucky, urhi, on her. So what's a stucky? Can you remember?
Jaus. Taring brishti gyar orhi.
So last one was draw socks on her. This one is
Taring brishti gyar orhi.
Taring brishta gar urhi. Brishta is trousers. When we change it to brishta gar, what is that? Draw shorts on her.
Jaus. Taring spekli grene orhi.
Spiekly grainer. Well, spiekly grainer. What are those? Taring spiekly grainer urhi. Sunglasses.
Jaus. Taring hatte grene orhi.
Taring hatta grainer. Where am I going this time? Taring hatta grainer urhi. Sun hat.
Jaus. Taring broga orhi.
Broga. Broga.
Jaus. Taring tilene orhi.
Taring T-lane urhi. T-shirt.
Jaus. Taring broga air.
So you can hear it's changed to air because we're talking about boy this time. So draw Taring broga air. Draw a broga on him. Broga. Shoes.
Jaus. Taring briste air.
Taring briste.
Jaus. Taring lene air.
Taring lane air.
Bain trial as.
No?
Bain trial as.
Oh, okay. Well, that one will be. Oh, I see.
Jaus. Taring carvat air.
Taring caravat air. Mr. Dunk used to wear one of these all the time.
Jaus. Taring gansy air.
Taring Gansey. What's a Gansey? Oh, this makes sense now why I kept getting Lena wrong. Gansey is the jumper and the Lena is underneath the shirt.
Jaus. Taring stocky air.
Taring stocky air. Draw stocky or the stocky on him. Those are the socks.
Jaus. Taring carvat orhi.
Okay, I think we're going to leave it there. Otherwise, this might go on forever. I hope you got all those correct. Let me know how you did. And if it's before 12 o'clock, I'll see you soon at the Zoom. Slán.